There's only 3 types of software that you should be paying for to run your cleaning company. And if you're paying for more than these 3 types of software, you're wasting your money. Cancel them.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
What's up, y'all? It's AJ Simmons here, the cleaning business GOAT, and I am the founder of Clean Biz Network. And today I want to tell you about the only 3 types of software that you should be paying for with your cleaning company. And it's this: number 1, an operation software; number 2, a sales software; and number 3, an accounting software. Anything above that, you're overpaying. And so for operation software, I recommend the Cleaning Boss app, which is made by DJ the Boss, who's another fellow YouTuber that I salute over there. And then we also got the Route app, okay? And that is also made by a friend of mine named Ricky Regalato. So you can check out those 2 for operations. When it comes to sales, the 2 softwares that I recommend is Clean Biz Network or Calculated Clean. Both of those softwares are founded by myself, and both of those softwares can do multiple different things. But the main things are the pricing of the job, the handling of your leads, doing your walkthroughs, creating proposals, and also has the templates for your service agreements. All right. But those are the main aspects. Now, the Clean Biz Network software actually has a full CRM. You can have your business phone number through it. You can build multiple different websites and build your own website in it. And then also it even can house training courses for your staff, right? So if you ever heard of a program called Trainual, you won't need that if you were in Clean Biz Network, because our software is an all-in-one platform. But if you can't afford the Clean Biz Network software, which isn't expensive at all, but for whatever reason you feel like you just can't quite pay that monthly payment on that, then you can always check out Calculated Clean, which doesn't have as much as Clean Biz Network does, but it has the basics like your bidding and your proposals, all right? Now, when it comes to accounting, the 2 softwares that I recommend is QuickBooks, which is the most popular, but it does have a monthly fee for that. WaveApps.com, which is actually free. They have a free version, so I highly recommend that, and I also have training tutorials for Wave on my YouTube channel. And then also a third one I thought there is bench.co, and I am affiliate of bench.co, and they did my books for years as I've been growing my business, so definitely check them out too, and you won't have to do it yourself. With Wave and with QuickBooks, you will have to do your books yourself, but with Bench, you don't have to do your books, so definitely check all 3 of those out and figure out which one is right for you. Now, after you get those 3 free types of software, the sales software, the operation software, and your accounting software, you can use other softwares to run your company, but you should not be paying for them, all right? And so the next type of software that you'll need that'll all be free is 1, communication software. So for communications, I like Slack, but there's also an alternative to Slack, and I do use the free version of Slack. The other alternative to Slack would be WhatsApp. So if you're going to run a small team, they're going to be local to you. You might have 1 or 2 VAs. I think WhatsApp is great. If you're going to be running a multi-state operation, you got staff all over the country or all over the world even, like I do, then Slack might be the better option. All right. Another free software that I recommend is Google Sheets. I mainly use Google Sheets for tracking purposes, right? Because we have our accounting software and it's going to show certain things in regards to our finances, but I like to also have an internal personal budget as well as a business budget, right? For my company. And so I use Google Sheets for that. All right, so you definitely check out Google Sheets. And while we're in Google, we might as well also throw in Google Docs in there. That's where you can use it for your business plans. You can use it for multiple different types of things, as well as Google Calendar. Now, if you're using the Clean Biz Network platform, we actually have calendars already in there that'll help you with your booking, your appointments, with your walkthroughs, as well as booking even your cleaning jobs. So you can use Clean Biz Network software for that, but our software will also integrate with your Google Calendar or iCal even, so that way you can always be on track with your personal schedule as well as your business schedule. And then the final thing I would say, and I kind of alluded to this already, would be something for training, all right? And so you're going to want to be able to create some type of course or onboarding process for your staff. So if you have actually employees, you're going to want to have employee handbooks, standards of procedures, and things like that. All of those things can be housed inside of the Clean Biz Network platform. as well as even video tutorials. Just like if you wanted to make a video like this and you want to show around, maybe walk around your office, show people how to clean, all of that stuff, you can create a course inside the Clean Biz Network platform and actually onboard your new employees using that course inside of the Clean Biz Network platform. So those are the only 3 types of softwares that you should be paying for: operations, sales, and accounting. If you're paying for any software above that, stop. You're wasting your money. All right. So check us out at www.cleanbiznetwork.app if you want to check out the Clean Biz Network app, or you can check out calculatedclean.app as well if you want to check out that app. And I'm AJ Simmons, the Cleaning Business GOAT. Talk to y'all soon. Thank y'all. Are you looking to start your own cleaning company? Or maybe you started your cleaning company, but you just need a support group, some mentorship, some guidance. Hell, a bidding calculator just to help you know if you're pricing the job correctly. Join us at cleanbiznetwork.app. That's www.cleanbiznetwork.app today and get on the right track with your cleaning company. We have everything you could possibly need to get you going in the right direction, and see why we've been the leading cleaning business consulting company for the past 5 years, and why they call me AJ Simmons, the Cleaning Business GOAT. So I can help you just like I've helped and my company has helped thousands of other people start and grow their cleaning companies. Go to the #1 source today, www.cleanbiznetwork.app. Thank you.